I'm not going to say anything. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. It's Shuks and...
It's Gabriel, John Paul, Irenaeus, Ming, Han, Fu, and Shuks in the building, in the car, about to hit the gym, about to get our workout in. Post-lockdown workout coming up.
Okay. Maanta maxaa sameynayna kooda hore soo dhawaada. Maanta maxaa aadaynaa gymka. Maanta maxaa aadaynaa gymka marka maxaa sameynaynaa exercise. Oo maxay tataa animida sameyna, Han nimido sameyna. Laakiin waa fiirinayna hadda ani yaabaya qaadi karo, halaho Han qaadi karo. So we're gonna see if I can lift as much as Han today.
Oh, is that what we're doing?
That is what we're doing.
Oh, wow, you put yourself in for a challenge.
So,
okay.
Let's see.
Don't hurt yourself, yeah?
Let's see if I can lift as much as Han.
Let's see if she can keep up.
Let's go inside.
Mask on.
Gym ka galena. Wili wa mask inta xirana. Laakiin
No.
Shankila has 5 kilos. So 15, 5, 20. Kakalane or San Aman Mahawaii Shankilo. Lamatani Shankilo.
This is your warm up. Let's go.
25 kilos.
Alright guys, doing a little warm-up set over here. So we've got 10s on the ends, bars 20, that's 40. You've got to be Asian to get your maths right? So let's go.
So 8 kilo, 7 kilo, and then 4 kilo. I did it! Yes!
We got the greens, now we're going to move on to the next color. It's all by color.
Green.
Step by step, color by color.
Yellow.
Yellow, black and yellow.
That was high Labatan, my Southern Asian kilo.
Southern Asian kilo.
35 kilo.
What's this?
Southern Asian kilo. Lakin hata hanu husamena
50. How do you say 50?
Content kilo.
Content kilo. Coming up.
Content
and then
kilo.
Shuks is going to do it too.
50 kilos. Me? 50 kilos?
Yeah.
Oh my god, So I did 45 kilos and 150. Now he's doing مسمينه يعني لحظة كيلو 60 kilos.
That was 5 on 5 on 5 on 5, 55, 55.
Continuation.
What's next?
Continuation.
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 Alright guys, we're doing 50, 20, 70. How you say that?
Todobatan. Todobatan kilo.
Tadawatan kilo.
Todobatan.
Tadawatan. Todawatan kilo. Todawatan kilo coming up.
Todobatan kilo.
And then Shuks are gonna do
Maya, أنا ما سمعنا بحس. لحظاً يوشان.
لحظاً يوشان.
لحظاً.
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 لحظاً يوشان.
لحظاً يوشان كيلو.
لحظاً يوشان كيلو.
لحظاً يوشان كيلو سمينا.
So what we're gonna do, Shuks, not step on our fingers. We're gonna keep our core nice and tight, breathe into our diaphragm. The bar is gonna sit over the middle of your foot, so mid-foot. It's going to be that far away from the bar, your shin. Shoulders down and back, core tight. And you're going to push your feet through the floor, come all the way up, squeeze your glutes. Got that?
ترتيب أو سمعنا. ترتيب. Say ترتيب. وسمعي.
What does that mean?
Do it slowly.
Tartib. Usame. Tartib. Usame.
I will. Yeah. محاسمة لحظة إيرشان لكن مو هاي easy or high? Can you say that? Easy or high? لحظة إيرشان السماء سداتا وسمينا سداتا كيلو وسمينا. You're doing Maya, أنا ما سمعنا بحس.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you